Sam, Sam, ako lang ba parang lumindol? Parang na-shatter yung stage. Team I Am Worldwide, palakpakan nyo naman ang nag-iisang Alden Richards!
Hello, magandang gabi. It's an honor po to be here to say hello to everyone. Of course, happy 8th anniversary to our I Am Worldwide family. Maraming salamat po for continuously. Hi Mama Ton, I miss you. Yes.
Of course, our very own Barley Queen nandito na po!
Na napakaganda as always. There you go. Radiating so much youth and beauty lagi. Go ahead, Sir Allen.
Yes, and of course, gusto ko po magpasalamat most especially to Sir Allen, of course, to Miss Anna and Miss Aika. And sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta sa I Am Worldwide, and to all the winners and who are keeping their loyalty to the brand, thank you so much.